Hi, welcome to Intense Speed Camp's training video. Today I'm going to teach you guys about dynamic active warm-ups. This is what me and my athletes do in our camps held 3 times weekly at my local track here. Alright, first with your dynamic warm-up, you want to start off with something that's more static, less intense. As you get warmed up, as you start to sweat a little bit more, you build intensity, start to build up speed. But now we're going to go at about 50%. I'm going to start you guys off with a high knee march. For your high knee march, you want to make sure your arms are moving with your legs. Make sure your hands are open. Make sure your knee gets the full flexion, toes up. Make sure you use both arms in a reciprocal fashion. Arm pump is going to be important. So as you go through our high knee march, it's more of a active high knee march, not necessarily what you would do right before you sprint. So I want to make sure I go arm, leg, foot, ankle, head up. All right, high knee march. What you do, you want to turn around, go about 15, 20 yards, turn around, go back with the same thing. For today, I'm going to go into my next dynamic active warm-up. There's tons and tons of dynamic stretches, dynamic active warm-ups that we do with our intense speed camps. These are just 4. Another one we're going to put in is the butt kick. Real basic, one that's been done for 100 years. Some people like the butt kick, some people don't. We do it every now and then. So now with the butt kick, make sure you're getting full flexion of the knee. Try to keep your torso tall. Again, you use your arms and your legs in conjunction. Make sure you're using your arms as much as you can. Palms open. All right, butt kick. Next, we're going to go through hip openers, what I call, formerly known as internal, external rotation. So with the external rotation, make sure your knee gets the full flexion. Keep your ankle dorsiflex. Open up that hip. Internal rotation, same thing. Bring that knee across the midline of your body. Full flexion. I'm going to put a bounce into this dynamic video because I want it to be more active. So instead of just grabbing my knee, which we'll do later in one of our intense speed static stretching tutorials, today we're doing dynamic active stretching. I'm going to bounce off this left leg. All right, hip openers. Just gave you 3 active dynamic warm-ups. This next one is similar to the high knee march, except for we're just going to work one half of your body. I like to put this in early so I can see which one of my athletes have mechanical issues, have neuromuscular imbalances. You want to train the body to work as a unit. However, sometimes you want to break it into halves. All right, so we got contralateral, iterolateral. We're going to go contralateral flexion, knee flexion, elbow stays flex, halfway, we'll switch it up. All right, so we can put those in at any time. That could be part of a training series that just teaches an athlete how to run. That could be part of a warm-up. That could be part of a cool down. So with those 4 dynamic active stretches, you implement them with your athletes, have them come to one of our camps, they'll be that much further ahead. That way they can develop intense speed. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.